The national jewelry of Kazakhs, that is product that processed with precious metals and in most cases decorated with precious stones. The creative image of Kazakh works of applied art in general is characterized by the components of the artistic language and generalization of styling solutions, which is determined by the special perception of the surrounding environment by Kazakh masters. In the mind of Kazakhs, the world is clearly structured in numerical and spatial dimensions. The level and four corners of the world are clearly reflected. From this understanding follows simple symmetrical shapes that form decorative compositions. Yüzük, a ring, is a type of jewelry that is worn on women's fingers, the so-called yüzük ring. Jewelers made various rings of gold, silver, cast, forged, made of black iron, made beautiful patterns, placed precious stones. They are called Otau rings, bird nose rings, matchmaker rings, turtle rings, etc., depending on the type of manufacture and order of application. Шашбау. Шашбау are also attached to each other by means of wire cutters. It consists of a chain of coins with eyes of precious stones in the center. The tip is decorated with a luxurious freeing silver ornament. The shashbao is attached to the base of the hair, and together with the braid, the hair is spilled. Shulpa. Shulpa hair coins wear these products on the ends of the girl's hair. Her hair and hair wear 9 pieces of silver tied with a silver ribbon. 9 is one of the sacred numbers in the Kazakh concept. They are connected to each other longer and braided together at the ends of the hair. Bilezak, the bracelet they wear, round types consisting of several parts, open leaf, solid cast iron. In this regard, they are called some bracelets, round bracelets, 5 bracelets, etc. Among them are bracelets with several rings which are connected by a chain. They were decorated with various ornaments, placed stones made of black and twisted. They are often forged in silver. Interest in jewelry is high now. One of the oldest jewelry is a 19th century ring of a matchmaker which is kept in our Sarayshық museum. To your attention an interview of one of the jewelers of Atırau. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.
Шапова Қайрат Болатұлы, Атырау қаласының қолөнершісі боламын. Қазіргі таңда Алтын Орда 750 жылдығын тойлап жатырмыз. Осы өзімнің осы шараға күмістен жасалған бұйымдарды